Children, welcome to English class. Hope all are fine and doing good. So, my dear children, in previous class we have studied doing words from grammar book. 11th lesson we have finished doing words from grammar book. Today we look into revision part from the grammar book, children. Please open your grammar book page number 42. Open page number 42 from grammar book, revision part. We have finished 1 to 11 lessons, no children, in grammar book. From these 1 to 11 lessons, there is a revision part. We look into it. Okay. So, open page number 42. These all bits are from chapter 1 to 11. Okay, children. So, one bit will do it. Okay, page number 42. Shall we start? Okay. Revision 1. Chapter 1 to 11. Okay. See first bit, children. As I'm showing on the screen now, children, please try to complete this. Take the pencil also. Try to complete mark or a full stop in the following sentences correctly. Put a question mark or a full stop in the following sentences correctly. See the first sentence. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. What mark we have to put there, children? Full stop. It is a complete sentence, no children? It is not a question. It is a sentence. Okay. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Keep full stop in the box given. Full stop. Lions are found in Africa. Lions are found in Africa. This also complete sentence. No full stop. Keep full stop in box given there. White box is given there, no children. See third one. Is Sunday today? Is it a sentence? No, it is a question. Is it Sunday today? It is a question. So keep question mark there in the box. See fourth one. Which is your favorite sport? This is also a question. No, which is your favorite? Keep question mark in the box. Does Hina know swimming? This is also a question. Keep question mark in the box. Does Hina know swimming? It is a question, so keep question mark in the box. Now we move to B. Complete the first sentence. Here the words are of those words we have to complete the sentence. Okay. See first the horse. Horse gallops fast. Right there in the dash, the horse gallops fast. Second one, the cook delicious food. Complete the sentence. The cook cooked delicious food. Over. Delhi is a beautiful city. Delhi is a beautiful city. Right there, beautiful city. Over. Mangoes are sweet to eat. Complete the sentence. Write this sweet to eat. Mangoes are sweet to eat. Write this sweet to eat so that we can complete the sentence. Okay. Fifth one, see the earth dash. The earth revolves around the sun. Right there, revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. Okay, children? Have you completed this? Shall we move to CB? Fill in the blanks with appropriate noun box. With the help of these nouns, we have to complete the fill in the blanks. Okay? We have to fill the blanks. Ash is a fast bowler. Select a suitable noun. What is a suitable noun here? Abai. Abai is a fast bowler. Abai is a fast bowler. Right there in the blank, Abhay. Abhay, Abhay. Abhay is a fast bowler. See second one. I'm hungry. Give me some dash. What is a suitable noun here? Food. I'm hungry. Give me some food. Right there, food. I'm hungry. Give me some food. Hope all are writing, children. Shall we move to next page? Page number 43. Move to page number 43. See here, third one. Madhav needs a dash to write. Select suitable noun from your children. Select suitable noun from your pen. Write in the blank pen. Madhav needs a pen to write. Madhav needs a pen to write. Okay. Fourth one, see. The dash is in Delhi. See the suitable noun there in page number 42. The dash is in Delhi. Qutub Minar. Right there in the blank. Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is in Delhi. The Qutub Minar is in Delhi. Fifth one, see. Hari's birthday comes in dash. What is the suitable noun here? August. Write there in the blank. Hari's birthday comes in August. Hari's birthday comes in August. Hari's birthday comes in August. Okay. Now see DB. Encircle special names and underline the common names in the paragraph given below. Here the paragraph, children. So we have to underline the common names and circle the special names. We have to circle the special names and underline the common names. Okay. So we'll read out the paragraph. Okay. Jack woke up late that morning. In this sentence, Jack is a special name, no? Circle Jack. Circle Jack. Jack woke up late that morning. In this sentence, Jack is a special name. So circle Jack. He hurriedly got ready for school is a common name. Hurriedly got ready for school. School is a common name, no? So underline school. His school, Rosemary Public School. Rosemary Public School is a special name. Children, as a school name is St. Clair High School. No, it is a special name. Rosemary Public School is a special name. So, circle Rosemary Public School. Was 15 minutes away from his home. Home is a common name. Underline home. He picked up his maths book. Maths is a special name. Circle math book is a common name. Underline book and put it in his bag. Bag is a common name. Underline bag. He forgot to pick up the right book according to the timetable of Monday. Monday is a special name. Circle Monday. He forgot his dress. Dress is a common name. Underline dress. For cricket practice. Cricket is a special name. Circle cricket. Circle cricket. Cricket practice against the Daredevil. Daredevil is a special name. Circle Daredevil. Daredevil team in the school. He drank his milk. Milk is a common name. Underline milk. And ran to catch the bus. Bus is a common name. Underline bus. Standing there waiting for Jack. Jack is a special name. Circle Jack. Was his best friend Jimmy. Jimmy is a special name. Circle Jimmy. They both hurried to their class. Class is a common name. Underline class. And reached in time. Finish this bit, children. Shall we move to E bit? See, put S to show belongingness. Priya has a new ball. Priya's new ball. Put S to show belongingness. Priya has a new ball. So how you have to write, children? Priya's new ball. Priya's. Add S there. Priya's. Add S to Priya. Priya's new ball. The postman has a bag. Postman's bag. Postman's bag. The dog has patches. Dog's patches. Dog's patches. The nurse is wearing a white dress. Nurse's white dress. Nurse's white dress. Aryan has curly hair. Aryan's curly hair. Aryan's curly hair. Aryan's curly hair. Over, children, this bit. Shall we move to next bit? Polar writing. F bit. Fill in the blanks using him, her, we, us, they, and them. See first one, children. Again, I'm reading the heading. See, fill in the blanks using him, her, we, us, they, and them. Dash are waiting for our school bus. Our school bus. We have to. We are waiting for our school bus. Write there we. Write in the blank we. Second, we are not going, but they invited us. Write there us. See third one. Did you help Dash in the exam? She did really well. She did really well. Did you help her? Write in the blank her. H-E-R, her. Did you help her in the exams? She did really well. Sunil is a good boy. We all like him. Write in the blank him. Sunil is a good boy. We all like him. Dash are flying to Delhi tomorrow. They are flying to Delhi tomorrow. Write in the blank they, T-H-E-Y, they. They are flying to Delhi tomorrow. They are flying to Delhi tomorrow. Don't disturb Dash. They are sleeping. Don't disturb them. Write in the blank them. We have to select a suitable word. Given on the top, no children. From there, we have to select suitable word and we have to write in the blanks. Okay. Don't disturb them. They are sleeping. Over. Now see G1, G-bit. In the blanks by choosing the correct describing words. Okay. So according to the sentence, we have to select the correct describing word and write in the blank. Okay. It was a dash day. I felt cold. Bracket, two words are given. Windy, sunny. So what is the correct word there? It was a dash day. I felt cold. Means windy. It was a windy day. I felt cold. Right there, windy. Correct, suitable word we have to select and we should write. Okay. It was a windy day. I felt cold. Okay, children. If I felt hot means what will come there? Sunny day. No, children? So here it is there. I felt cold. No. So what is the suitable word here? Windy. No. It was a windy day. I felt cold. See second one. We covered a dash distance. We were tired. So what is a suitable word? We covered a long distance. We were tired. Long distance. Right there, long. We covered a long distance. Right there, long. Okay. See third. An elephant is a dash animal. The bracket, two words are given. No. Weak, strong. An elephant is a dash animal. Weak or strong? Strong animal. No? Right there in the blank, strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. An elephant is a strong animal. Right there, strong. Fourth one, see. I did this some quickly. It was very dash. Two words are given here. Easy and difficult. What is the suitable describing word here? I did this some quickly. Means it was very easy. No. Right there, easy. E-A-S-Y, easy. I did this some quickly. It was very easy. Okay. I did the sum quickly. It was very easy. Now see fifth one. The sun is a dash star. Bracket two words are given. Big and small. So what is the suitable describing word here? The sun is a big star. Right there in the blank, big. The sun is a big star. Over. Now we'll move to next bit. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the describing words given in the brackets. Again, describing words. Okay. A giraffe is dash than a giraffe is dash than a horse. Taller. Right there, taller. Two words are given here. Tall, taller. Which is the correct one? Taller is the correct one. Okay. A giraffe is taller than a horse. Right there, taller. Second one, see. The tap water is dash than the river water. Cleaner, cleaner, cleaner. The tap water is cleaner than the river water. Right there, cleaner. Okay. Third, see. A truck is dash than a car. Bigger, bigger, bigger. A truck is bigger than a car. A truck is bigger than a car. Over. See, fourth one. Grandmother is dash than mother. Grandmother is older than mother. Here two are given in the bracket. Old, older. This is the correct one. Older is the correct one. Right there, older. Grandmother is older than mother. Fifth one, see. A lion is dash than a rabbit. Strong, stronger. Stronger. A lion is stronger than a rabbit. A lion is stronger than a rabbit. Over. Shall we move to next bit? See, children. Fill in the blanks with appropriate form of the verbs given in the box. Fill in the blanks with appropriate form of the verbs given in the box. Here are the verbs given on the top. So we have to select the suitable verb. And write in the blanks. Okay. The beetle dash in a pipe. It is the correct suitable verb. Lives. No? Right there in the blank, lives. The beetle lives in a pipe. The beetle lives in a pipe. The beetle lives in a pipe. See second. Soldiers dash for their country. Soldiers. Which is the suitable verb? Fight. Soldiers fight for their country. Soldiers fight for their country. Third one, see. Jim and Johnny dash their room daily. Clean. Clean their room daily. Right there, clean. Fourth one, see. He dash very well. He acts very well. Right there, acts. Right there, acts. They dash great courage. They show great courage. They show great courage. They show great courage. Over now. Now, riddle time. Who am I? Very interesting, children. Who am I? Riddle time. Here are the names on the top. Okay. See first one. I am the national animal of India. What is the national animal of India? Tiger. No, right there, tiger. Complete the box, children. Write the tiger spelling. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India. No? See second. I am the national flower of India. What is the national flower of India? Lotus. I am the national flower of India. Who am I? Lotus. First one also. I am the national animal of India. Who am I? Tiger. I am the national flower of India. Lotus. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Complete there. Third one, see. I show time. Who am I? Clock. clock. CLOCK, clock. Say fourth, I'm a fruit. Who am I? Apple. APPLE, apple. I'm a fruit. Who am I? Apple. Fifth, I treat patients. Who am I? Doctor. I treat patients. Doctor. Who treats patients? Who treats patients? Doctor, no? Doctor. DOCTOR, doctor. Very interesting, no, children? Over. So, up to here, we completed the revision 1, children. Okay? Revision 1 from chapter 1 to 11 lessons. 1 to 11 chapters, we have completed revision. Okay? Hope all have completed this. So that's all for today's class, children. Take care. Be happy. God bless you all, children. Thank you.